greatest asset is in your earning ability. Your greatest resource is your time. Brian Tracy. Hi, everybody. I'm Eric Stefanski, and your Life Spark lesson for today will begin a series on the law of cause and effect. We all know about Sir Isaac Newton's recognition and defining of the law of gravity. It's an infallible law that's all around us. No matter what we do, it's always present. There's also a law of relativity, which states that, in simplest terms, multiple things can be happening at one time and always be correct. For example, while you're dealing with the best day of your life, someone else at the same time is dealing with the worst day of theirs, and a third person is experiencing a better day than you are. But all are happening at the same time. The law is also infallible. No matter what we do, it's always present. There are hundreds or more of these laws of the universe, which are always present and always exact. But most of us don't pay much attention to them. We take them for granted, or we refuse in some cases to believe how each affects us in our daily lives and all we do. Our better judgment should be guiding us to learn these laws and how we can better use them to our advantage. But generally, we take them for granted. One of these such laws is the law of cause and effect, and how it relates to everything, but in the sports world, how it relates to our performance. When we think of sports, we rarely think about how this law plays into the results we're achieving. We don't think of it much in school, business, or in life in general either, but it's always there. The reason I know very few of us pay attention to this law is because how people react when they don't reach their goal when they want to reach it. How parents react and how coaches react in the same situation. Instead of looking back at what we did to achieve the result at that particular time, we tend to play the blame game and find reasons through the fault of others, circumstances, or outside influences. The real answer lies within what we did leading up to that point in time. If we get the results we want, it's because we did what was required of the goal to achieve it. If we didn't get what we want, it's because we haven't earned the right to have it yet. There was something in the past we did, on a habit-forming basis, that caused a snowball effect to form in the direction that either did or did not lead us to our goal when we wanted to achieve it. If we did earn our goal when we wanted to, it's the direct result of our decisions, thoughts, attitudes, effort, and action built and trained as a habit that put us in line with achieving it. The law of cause and effect states that an effect is always the result of a cause, and that effect is the starting point or cause of the next effect. This is why it seems like when good things are always happening for us, more good things happen. The snowball effect is a positive, goal-attaining snowball. And conversely, when things seem bad or we don't get what we want when we want it, it's because we haven't done what is required of the goal to earn it. The snowball effect is a negative directing snowball in this case. Over the next week, we're going to discuss both individual and team scenarios illustrating the law of cause and effect, and how to create that snowball effect of success and redirect that snowball effect of negativity to a much better path, all based on this law of cause and effect. So to get you started on an easy topic to begin to understand this law of cause and effect, your assignment for today is to focus on your attitude. We've talked about the importance of it in several previous lessons. Is your attitude providing you effects that are leading you to your goal, or is your attitude taking you farther away from what you want to achieve? Spend some time and recognize which direction you're headed in all that you do with your attitude today. Remember, attitude is your choice. The either positive or negative one you hold on to more often in your daily life will be the one that becomes a habit to control your life. I'm Eric Stefanski. Have the best day of your life.